Trying to get your website noticed online. Whether you're launching a WordPress site or looking to improve your current one, we've got some great strategies to help you boost visibility and attract the right audience. Let's get started. Optimize for SEO. SEO is crucial for getting your site noticed by search engines like Google. Start by researching keywords relevant to your niche. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content, headings, and meta descriptions. Don't forget to use alt text for images. Customize your permalinks to be concise and keyword-rich. Quality content is king. Regularly update your blog with informative and engaging articles that address the needs of your audience. Consider using different formats like videos, infographics, or podcasts to diversify your content. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for driving traffic to your website. Share your content across platforms like Facebook, X, and Instagram to reach a broader audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Use Google My Business. If your business has a physical location, make sure to create a Google My Business account. This will help your site appear in local searches. Build backlinks. Backlinks are another crucial factor in SEO. They show search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Reach out to other bloggers or websites in your niche for guest posting opportunities, or collaborate on content. Lastly, always monitor your website's performance. Tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console can provide invaluable insights into your traffic and user behavior. Use this data to adjust your strategy as needed. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.